Hi. Today, learning is not only based in the books or class texts. Whatever we learn in the class, there's something beyond it. Education today is more available on the internet, in various sites, and in this demonstration called e-learning, that is to learn with the tools of internet web-based applications, we are going to see how better we can explore and more develop our process of learning and explore new things. So let us see here. At first, this is a browser. It is called Google Chrome here, and I'm going to type the word Google here, or I'm going to select it. So what happens? The page of Google opens here, and here we have a list of search results, and we pick up the site of Google here. Next, as you can see, the site of Google, it is visible, it is the Google logo, and there is a space for entering or typing your search result. Suppose you are reading something. At that moment, you don't have your teacher with you, and at that moment, you don't have any books to show you. Or you want to know something that is not currently available in books or anywhere. Or you want to make a project, but you don't have sufficient data or image. So, I suppose type a word that is called, as you may want to know, this is our query. And see, Google has shown us the number of search results. What do we have here? We have 57 lakh search results in just a span of 0.13 seconds. Isn't it amazing? We have searched for the Nile River, and look, here we are already. The first of all, it is the picture of Nile. The second is the topographical map of Nile. The third, and now let us go to the various search results. Choose any of them, and you can see what better you can get. And this is my favorite. It is called Wikipedia. Here you can get any type and all type of information in detailed data, in structural, architectural form. You can see anything, and you can learn whatever you may want to learn. See here, we have typed Nile River, and now the site of Wikipedia is opening up, and here we are. It is the site of Wikipedia, and I have searched. This is called Nile, and you see there's a general information on Nile, and right here we have the picture of the Nile River, the valley. And now I'm going to scroll the page, and this gives us the essential data about Nile, where the Nile River, its length, where it is origin, its total delta, the Nile River where it flows. And here we have at the left the structural design of the Nile River. Here you can see it is a content box. It displays us all the results and all the contents and the structural units. You see there's a long history of Nile from the beginning to the development until the last. And here you can see also it is a satellite picture here that shows us that the present condition of Nile. And at the left you can see Nile as a geographical version, and we have all the other examples. Look, this is a Blue Nile Falls, and if you go, it is the ancient picture of Nile that what people used to see before that. And next, if you want some other thing, you want something extra, then here you have the references, the glossary, and at last you also have for suggested further reading. So you can download these pictures, you can see these things. Suppose you want to see something in video, you want to see something and you want to know exactly how it is. So you can go to the site of YouTube and you can explore, and here we are. It is called YouTube. YouTube is a space where you can see, upload, download any type and all types of video. And here we have the video of the Nile River. As you can see in the YouTube, it shows us the video journey of Nile River, and here we have all the other search results on the Nile River. You can see, so whatever you may want to know, you just simply type it, and the Google shows you with all type of search results. Now, in our next, we are going to see what are other things we can do. Suppose you want to have some pictures, so you just go to Google Images and see all types of images available now are present here on the net online. So this is Google Images. You can see more than 10 lakh pictures in just a fraction of seconds. Suppose you want to mail this information to your friend, you want to ask questions, you want to send your data, or you want to give them information. So what you can do, you can go here. It is called Gmail. You can send as many as email. You can send as many as subjects to anyone you like, to any place, at anywhere. And now I'm going to open up my Gmail account. You need a login ID and you need a password to open this site. Okay. Here I'm typing. Okay, let us see now. This is the Gmail page of my account. Yes, it is loading, and shortly it is going to open up. Okay, this is called Gmail mail, and here you can form a group, and these are the inbox. These are the mails that I have received, and these are the things that I have gone and I have done. Now, for other things, let us go to Google More. If you want to make a lot of things, this is the Google group, and you can do anything if you like. If you want to set out alerts, you can make Google alerts. If you want to make some data information more, you can go to the Google Blogger. Blogger is an online diary where you can create your own page. You can share your own thoughts, your own creative thinkings, and your own self-creations with others and anyone around. It is called eBlogger. It is an application of Google. Here you can share any type and all type of things together with everyone. Again, now it is called, let us go to the Google group. You see, it is Google here, and we can already form a group. Okay? In this Gmail, okay, it is now. Let us go to even more, and we can form the Google group here. Okay, the search group is now. It is at last we have come here. The Google groups. Here we are. The page is open.